Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Thank you for loving my last video. Today I am going to share with you Haleem. It's a popular dish all over Pakistan. It's a mixture of dal and meat and very aromatic and delicious. So let's join me for cooking Haleem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For Haleem we need boneless beef meat or you can use chicken, mash dal, Mong dal, channa dal, masoor dal, barley or jaw and kibbled wheat, ginger garlic paste, Shan Haleem Masala, and for garnishing we need fried onion, green chilli, fresh lemon, fresh mint and ginger. Now we start the recipe. In a pressure cooker, add half a cup of oil and allow it to get warm up on medium flame. Add your onion, fry till golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and now add masalas. Add water to prevent burning the masalas. Add meat, mix well together. Fry for few minutes. Add 4 cups of water. Put the lid on and cook for 30 to 35 minutes. In a pan, 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry a few seconds. Then add the daals washed and soaked for half an hour. Mix 4 cups of water and bring it to boil. To prevent overflowing, do not cover it with lid until it soaks water. Add 1 cup of boiling water. Put the lid on and let it cook for 15 minutes on low flame. Let's check the meat. It's tender and looks very delicious. Mash the meat. Add dal mixture. Mix it together. Mix well. Use hand blender to make a smooth paste. Cook for few minutes. The delicious Haleem is ready to dish out. You can serve it with naan. Final step, fried onion and red chilies tadka. Delicious Haleem is ready to serve with naan. Hopefully you will enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.